number between 1 and 15 is 3.
No. I need better. I need something better. I don't want this. No. Why am I singing? Alright you guys, so today's video I'm so excited to do because I'm going to do a Valentine's Day palette bingo featuring the Natasha Denona Love palette, which I just purchased, as well as the mini Love palette. This is actually the first midi-sized Natasha Denona palette that I ever own. And I'm so excited. I bought it because the color scheme, first of all, is so pretty. I'm going to show you like when I start this video, obviously. But I just thought it would be a lot of fun to sit here and do a palette bingo because I just have so much fun doing palette bingos, even though they make me so nervous because obviously random numbers and random eyeshadows. I have to make a decent look and it's for Valentine's Day. This is gonna be my date night makeup. I'm just kidding. I mean, it might be, but like hopefully we come up with something good. Before I get into it though, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed palette bingos. I love them so much, so please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram where you can see a bunch of creative looks. My Valentine's Day series is happening currently. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'm a little excited. I need to calm down. The packaging is everything. I don't even think I've opened this yet now that I think about it. This is totally my color scheme. I love it. And this is the mini Love palette. So there are no duplicates. If you didn't know, the mini palettes of Natasha Denona I generally don't have any duplicates. So oh my gosh, this is the 3rd one I own. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how I like it. But this is my first well, not full size, this is my first midi sized palette from Natasha Denona. So what I'm gonna do is ask Siri to pick 3 shades from the midi palette and then 2 shades from the mini palette, and then we're gonna create a look with it, and I'm gonna swatch them as I call for them. So how many shades are in this palette? 5, 10, 15, and then there's 5 in here. So let's see. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 15.
A random number between 1 and 15 is 2.
2. I totally forgot that I had my HomePod in here. I was asking my phone, but whatever. So she picked 2. So this is number 2. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is my first swatch. All right, I'm gonna put it over here. That's the first shade we gotta use. I hope we get some mattes. This is my biggest fear, honestly, that I don't get any mattes. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 15.
A random number between 1 and 15 is 2.
No, another one.
A random number between 1 and 15 is 2.
Hey Siri, pick another number between 1 and 15.
A random number between 1 and 15 is 3.
No. I need better. I need something better. I don't want this. No. Although that is a matte shade. Should I go with it?
A random number between 1 and 15 is 5.
All right, that's better. So 5 is Trust. That is a matte purple. Okay, at least we have a matte. I was a little worried. Cool. Oh my god, that swatch is so pretty. I love the Natasha Denona formula. I'm so excited. All right, so these are the 3 shades from the midi-sized palette. Now let's do the mini. Hey Siri, pick a random number 1 through 5.
A random number between 1 and 5 is 5.
Ooh, okay, that's a pretty shade. Maybe one more matte would be great. That is stunning. Ooh, I love it.
A random number between 1 and 5 is 2.
Yes, another matte. We're good. We're good. So this is the color scheme we're going for. Pretty excited. All right, now I gotta remember where I got each shade from. I think I'm gonna do like a nice soft look. It's not gonna be anything too crazy. I'm gonna start off with this matte purple from the mini palette. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to use this shade because it has like a really pretty duochrome, but you know, gotta follow the rules. So we're gonna take this all over the crease. This is gonna be the transition shade. I'm also gonna take this on the lower lash line. Oh, this is so much fun. I love Natasha Denona formula. This is beautiful so far. It's blending out like a dream. I am getting a little bit of fallout, but it's okay. I'm not mad about it. This shade is blending out so nicely. I love it, but I'm gonna go ahead and deepen the crease with the purple from here. I'm really glad, like I got lucky this palette bingo. The color scheme actually matches. Sometimes it doesn't. Palette bingos can be cruel. But I'm just gonna deepen out the outer corner and the crease with this shade. Totally wanted more pinky mauve-y vibes, but it's okay. I really love purples anyway, and this is so pretty. So I'm not even gonna cut my crease, but I'm gonna take the second shade. I don't know if I should use that for the inner corner. You know what? No, I'm gonna take this one. Which one was it? Yeah, this shade over here, number 5 of the mini, which is what palette bingo told me. I'm not even gonna cut my crease because we're gonna make this a really simple look. Oh, I am loving this color scheme. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep that other shade for the inner corner, I think. Guys, this is so stunning. You don't even need a setting spray. There's a little bit of fallout, but nothing that can't be wiped away. Loving it. Totally forgot to do the lower lash line with the darker shade. I'm loving this color combo actually. Like, what? And I'm gonna buff the lighter shade. And as you can see, I only took the pink shade like halfway through because I'm gonna go with the purple shade. Oh, I love this purple, so pretty. And that's gonna go on the outer. Oh, I love it. And I'm gonna make sure the two lid shades are really nice and blended together. Just making sure there's not a harsh line. This is so pretty. Guys, I'm in love with both of these palettes. I'm gonna need to get more Natasha Denona. Why am I singing? And now I'm gonna take more of that dark purple and just blend that into the shimmery purple. Oh my God, this turned out so pretty. Let me tell you, this formula is next level. I need to get more Natasha Denona. I keep saying that. I'm sorry, I sound like a robot now instead of a sing-song. Okay, so now the only shade I'm missing is number 2, and that's gonna go in the inner corner. Even though it might be a little too dark for my taste for the inner corner, this probably would be a really stunning lid shade. Yep, little too dark. I'm gonna go really lightly and blend it out so it's not like so apparent. I did use all the shades, you can't say I didn't. Thought I was gonna have to cheat a little bit. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to take some white eyeliner that's very stained. I don't know why. It's like stained blue. What the heck? Let's just finish off with the lips. I'm going to take the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 04 All Natural. And then I'm going to take the Kylie lipstick in the shade Butterscotch. To be honest, I'm not even sure that they sell this shade anymore. Oh my gosh, I messed it up here. But I love using this one for an ombre lip effect, which also makes my lips look bigger. And now I'm just quickly gonna go put on lashes off camera and I'll be right back. You know what? I'm applying this mascara and it looks so good on its own that I don't think I want to apply falsies over top, because realistically I won't be wearing falsies on Valentine's Day. I probably won't even be wearing makeup. I don't even know what we're doing. We're gonna be out of town staying with some family, but I don't know. This looks really nice. This mascara is everything. You're gonna see this in an upcoming video the first time I use it, but this is the Maybelline Sky High foundation. Yep, mascara that went viral on TikTok, and honestly for good reason. Let me just tell you that. I don't want to spoil too much, but to be honest, I'm really liking the way this looks on its own, so I might not even put some false lashes on. I am loving the way this look turned out. I'm so excited. I don't know, I think it just looks so good without lashes. I think lashes would honestly ruin this look. There are some looks that don't require lashes in my opinion, but I really hope you like this look. I'm like so digging it. I love my freaking love earrings. I love my Valentine's nails. I'm so Valentine's Day, and like fun fact, I really don't like Valentine's Day. I actually had a boyfriend in 9th grade who broke up with me on Valentine's Day. It was my boyfriend right before I started dating my husband, so blessing in disguise. But either way, like I've been so butthurt over Valentine's Day since then. I literally hate Valentine's Day, but you know what? This was so much fun to do, and Valentine's Day is just a fun way to celebrate. Even if you're single, just have a nice little Valentine's Day, you know? Do you, boo. I'm really loving this. Oh my god, I'm loving these eyeshadow palettes. This Natasha Denona formula is actually insane. For some reason, this look is giving me Naked 3 palette vibes, which was my favorite Urban Decay Naked palette. Oh my gosh, I used to do looks like this all the time. But yeah, I really hope you have a great Valentine's Day. I really hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. A Valentine's Day palette bingo. Let me put on gold. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give... I love the Natasha Denona.